Hello everyone, I'll show you how to hide last seen or active status on Facebook. Let's get into it. Tap the three lines at the top right corner of your Facebook app. That's your main menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Scroll a little and go to Audience and Visibility section. Here, tap Active Status. This is where you control your online presence. Now, turn off the switch next to Show when you're active. This hides your last seen. Finally, tap Turn off to confirm it. Now, you will have to do the same on Messenger too, otherwise it will not work properly. Open Messenger. Tap the three lines at the bottom right corner of your Messenger app. That's your Messenger main menu. Go to Settings. Tap Active Status. Now, turn off the switch next to Show when you're active. Choose Until I change it. Hit pause. And done. Now no one can see when you were last active on Facebook and Messenger. If this helped, give the video a like. And if you're stuck anywhere, just drop a comment. I'm here to help.